I'm now joined by two of our friends here to talk to us about a diabetes screening. I'm joined by two registered nurses, Ms. Hilda Ramirez and Kelly Hetherington. Hetherington, yes. Almost said Featherington. Well, welcome, and talk to us about this just incredible opportunity for people to go get themselves screened for diabetes.
Well, first of all, we both work for Texas A&M, who is providing us the opportunity to be able to do this. We are having the screening because November is Diabetes Awareness Month.
Oh.
And so for the whole month and stuff, I mean, you guys can call us at the office. We have an office off of Navarro, and we're going to present to you the information when we finish. But we have diabetes classes, but every week.
Every week?
Every week we have diabetes classes.
Wow.
And it's free to the public, no charge. Anyone that is 18 and older can participate.
Do you have to have health care?
No.
No. Oh my gosh.
No.
Sorry to interrupt.
Walk-ins, referrals, physician referrals, clinic referrals, or self-referrals.
Okay.
Anybody that wants to come in. But I'm going to defer to Kelly, because Kelly is going to be talking about the program that we're going to be doing.
Like Ms. Hilda said, November is Diabetes Awareness Month. So what we're offering is a diabetes education night. And that is on November 17th, a week from today. We're doing health screenings, free A1C screenings from 9 to 3, and then food demos at 11:30 and 6.
There are some patients who have come in that have had other situations, major stress, illness or whatever that's causing stress to the body, stressful job, stressful home environment, et cetera, et cetera.
Yeah.
That can actually, those are some of the triggers, but it doesn't even have to be like that.
Not just sugar.
It's not. And sugar isn't what causes it. It's going to aggravate the problem just because you eat a lot of sweets.
Well, I hope that I get to learn more about this. I'm going to put this on my calendar. November 17th, it's a Monday, and try to learn more about diabetes and staying healthy and living a healthy life.
Absolutely.
Thank y'all so much for everything y'all do, and I hope to see y'all on the show again.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
All right, well, coming up, don't go anywhere. News to know before you go.